Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shimere, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today we are at a Dollar Tree, of course, and you guys, it's all about the budget-friendly party decor in Dollar Tree today, okay? So, I don't know where you've been if you haven't noticed that, gas prices are high, food prices are high, lots of things are expensive right now. So why not still be able to throw an amazing party, whether it's a kid's birthday party, a wedding, or a baby shower? You can still throw an amazing party and have it look amazing, all while shopping at the Dollar Tree, okay? There are so many cute party items at the Dollar Tree for only $1.25, okay? And I feel like it's a great deal because just look at those little cups and plates. You get multiple cups and plates in a pack for $1.25, okay? Sometimes when we go to some of these other party stores, we're paying over $3 and $4 a piece for, a plate or anything. So they have lots of cute stuff. You guys, these are like my absolute favorite now, okay? Look how cute these little Lego cups are for a party. I'm telling you, there were all different types of themes that you could go with, and stuff was so super cute. And what I like is that there's so much variety. You guys, like, you will really feel like you're in a full-on party store just in this party section of the Dollar Tree. And there's lots of variety. I recently saw a video about a DIY balloon arch for the Dollar Tree, and you guys, look at the amount of balloons they have. Like, you can really do some stuff with these items from the Dollar Tree. Lots of candles, lots of balloons, lots of different decor. I mean, it was so much stuff. Like, I don't even think I showed you guys everything that was in the store party wise, because they definitely have lots of flowers and stuff like that, like faux flowers. So if you're doing a wedding or baby showers and things like that, there are lots of flowers and stuff that you can put together, and lots of different ways that you can arrange them. But you guys, definitely keep them in mind if you're having any type of birthday party, especially one for kids. Because when I say they have some cute stuff, they have some super cute stuff. They almost made me want to just throw a party just because, okay? I was like looking at all this cute stuff. Shoot, I want to have a party. And another thing I like about it is the variety as far as, I know it's a party, you might be eating on, plastic utensils and plates and stuff, but you guys, they have lots of different colors. Look at there. They have white forks, black forks, some that look more clear. So if you want to jazz it up and try and make it look a little more fancy, look at that. They have these little containers that you can put appetizers and hors d'oeuvres and little candies and stuff in. You guys, so cute. I even used those when I made a candy table a while back for someone for a birthday party. So I'm telling you, it's wedding and shower friendly, okay? Lots of cute stuff, lots of things that you will need if you're going to throw a party. And I mean, look, I feel like it looks good. I'd rather spend my money on, the food and having it taste good and stuff like that than actual serving utensils and stuff. And to me, honestly, I felt like these work just fine. I'm telling you, I'm giving you permission, okay? If you're having a party and you are worried about the budget and worried about having plastic items, I give you permission to have them, okay? I'd rather just have some good food, okay? And you guys, one thing I always do is forget a gift bag, okay? And at the last minute, I'm running and I'm scrambling. And where do I usually end up to find my gift bag? Right here at the Dollar Tree, because there are so many different options, and then they actually have different sizes, okay? Because nothing works me and my nerves more than when I go somewhere and I can't find like the size gift bag I need. So it was pretty surprising to me though to see so many different sizes here at the Dollar Tree as well. And look how beautiful these bags are. You guys, I'm telling, these bags look expensive, okay? So make sure you keep all of these things in mind when you're shopping for your next party and you need to get someone a gift. Look how cute that baby bag is, you guys. Oh my gosh, just giving me all the feels and the vibes, okay? So just another reason why I love going to the Dollar Tree, okay? There are so many cute finds and things and just so much different stuff. I'm talking the bags, the bows. If you don't want to put something in a bag and you want to wrap it up, They have gift wrapping paper, and then they also sell those really big bags that you can use for like a large gift, those clear ones. So lots of great stuff, you guys. So make sure you keep them in mind for your next party. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you guys saw something and got a little bit of inspiration. And don't forget the tape, okay? Because that's another thing I always tend to forget. So make sure you have tape and stuff whenever you're setting up or decorating for a party. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.